Welcome to Trackit Help videos. In this video, you're going to learn how to record your income using the Trackit front end. Now, before I start, I'd like to point out that you can record your income in two ways. That is, you could record income in terms of items sold directly from your inventory, or simply make use of the new income function to bring in funds. That is, you could bring in external funds probably from your business just before you open an account. If you want to transfer in your profits or funds from your business account into the Trackit app, you could do that using the new income function on the Trackit app. Alright, so before I proceed, I'd like to check the account balance on this current business account. As you can see, the profits oral statement says there's an available amount of 808,937.83 naira, and if you check the accounting module, you can also see 808,937 naira under the total account balance as well as the net income. Alright, so I'll check the reports aspect to know how much we have in our current accounts. So I'll check the money report. So as you can see, we have 382,100 naira in our Heritage Bank. Also 345,780 in our cash account. So for this video, we'll be focusing on the Heritage Bank account. So that's 382,100 naira. Not forget our account balance is 808,937. Alright, so let's proceed to adding income. Alright, so the first thing, like I said, is to bring in to make sales on from your inventory. Now you can do this in two ways. That is, the invoices on items which can be generated in two ways. The first is by coming to the point of sale module. The second is simply adding invoices from the invoice session. You could click on add sales. So it creates a new invoice that allows you to actually sell items directly from your inventory without necessarily going to the point of sale and selecting a guest before the items and carts and the likes. So you can simply generate an invoice without applying discounts or any other transactional effects from this screen. Simply go to your overview, and currently we have it under overdue invoices. You could view all, and it takes you to the invoice screen. You can see the recent invoices. Then you can click on the plus symbol at the bottom right corner right there. So it allows you to add. So I'm going to quickly add an invoice for a customer. I'm selecting Ogechi Bolao, and this is a paid item, so you just have to check that box. And to add an item, I'm going to be adding Gavin Boutique Bouquet, and I'm buying 4 of those. So I'll add item, and I'm making the transfer to Transfer Heritage with sum of 2,200 naira. And then I can proceed to creating the invoice. Alright, so we go back to the invoice section. You can see that the sum of 2,200 naira has just been paid into our account. We got check that effect in our Heritage Bank account report. Simply by going to the money report, you can see that we've gone from 382,100 to 384,300 naira. Alright, so like I said, the next means of actually making a sale on the Trackit app is through the POS, that is the point of sale. So I'll be selling to Gifty customer. I'm going to see our products and services. So we're going to add these test services to our cart. I'm going to check that. You could decide to apply discounts or change the number of services you require. For this video, I'll be using one, and I'm not giving any discounts. Of course, I'm adding to Transfer Heritage. That's the sum of 25,000 naira. proceed to submit payment. Alright, so I'm going to perform another sale and check my reports. Again, you can see the money report has increased to 409,300 naira. We check our accounting module. You can see we've gone from 808,000 to 832,240.15 naira. Alright, so like I said, there are two ways to bring in income. It could be through the sales of items in your inventory, or simply bringing in a form of cash injection into your Trackit business account. So like I said, we're making use of the new income function right here at the top of the overview section. You can see new income just beside new expenses features. So I'll click on the new income function, and before I proceed, I'd like to check out how much we have in our account. As you can see, we have 832,240.15. So we can proceed to add in a new income. I'm going to assume we're adding 100,000 to the 832,000 we have in our current account. We are adding to transfer heritage. For that, take the tally up. So we need to add a note on the cash we're bringing in. That is what's the journal entry statement. So I'll simply use cash injection, or probably startup fund. That should be added to our net income. Alright, so I'm going to save. Now I can continue to my dashboard. So you can see we've gone from 832,240.15 naira to 932,214.15 naira. Also, if we check our accounting, the same should be reflected on our total account balance. As you can see, 932. You can see the other income aspect has gone up from 364,000 to 464,000. Also, the net income reflects the same amount as the account balance. So these are the ways by which you could record income using the Trackit app on your mobile device. Thank you very much for watching.